Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make really healthy pumpkin soup. I'm going to be talking about the ingredients and the benefits of each. We got to take health seriously. So first I'm baking some pumpkin, sweet potato, carrots, turmeric, garlic, and even little pieces of ginger in there, plus an onion. So first, starting with pumpkin. Pumpkin is high in vitamin C, E, iron, folate, which is good for your immune system. It is also high in fiber, which can regulate your cholesterol and weight. You see me cutting up the skin. Next, we have sweet potato, which is rich in vitamin A, high in fiber for digestion, and it also helps improve your eyesight. Then we have carrots, which is great in vitamin C. Carrots reduce the risk of cancer. It has vitamin K for bone health. It is an anti-aging antioxidant, which protects the skin from sunburn. I did not know that about carrots. Now you're just going to blend it all up. Next, we have turmeric, which is a superfood with cancer-fighting agencies. It's great for detoxing your body, and it's low in cholesterol and improves overall immune health. I love turmeric. Do you see that beautiful color after blending it? So after you blend it up, you're just going to transfer it to a pot. And you're just going to stir. And then I added some coconut milk. Coconut milk is rich in vitamin C, B, B1, B3, calcium, and magnesium. So then I'm going to add up all my seasonings. I'm going to put that on the screen. And then we're going to stir it all together. And then I added some garlic and ginger, which are both great for your immune system, and they're both anti-inflammatory, and they help with heart disease. This is what garlic and ginger have in common. I forgot to add some rosemary, which is like one of my favorite herbs of all time. So this is optional if you want to add that to your soup. And then you just stir it up and eat it. But you are what you eat. What you put on the inside of your body will reflect on the outside. And I don't think people understand that eating healthy while you're young is important so that you can prevent diseases as you get older. Now, I'm not saying that you won't get anything, but it helps a lot. Your health is your wealth, and never forget that. I also added some croutons. This is optional, but yeah, that's my little pumpkin soup. Let me know what healthy meals you guys like to eat. Bye.